Assistant coach Duncan Lechesa is being cross-examined by the defense in the murder trial of CityMed Managing Director Louis Siemens. Siemens was gunned down in Bloemfontein in May last year. Lechesa has denied any involvement in the murder of Siemens. SABC News reporter Aphume-lele M-dla-lane has more. Aphume-lele, a very good morning to you. What can you tell us this morning about this case?
Good morning to you, Desiree, and also to the viewers at home. Quite interesting events unfolded here since yesterday. As you mentioned already, that Duncan Lechesa took the stand yesterday where he was giving his testimony. Surprisingly, he first started by saying that he is here to clear his name from those who wanted to tarnish it. And when he was asked why he is saying that, he said that, of course, he knows accused number one, Stanley Bagili, because he was here to just give relations to how he knows Stanley Bagili. That's where he said he is disappointed that he was also saved as Eugene Bophelo, CFO, whereas Stanley Bagili is supposed to be knowing his name, that he is Duncan Lechesa. He said he's a public figure, and that is very important to him, that he has to clear his name, and he had nothing to do and was never involved in any way in the issue of the murder of Louis Siemens. Already yesterday, we saw him being cross-examined by the defense representing accused number one, Stanley Bagili, where he was being cross-examined. Questions were raised as to why is he saying that his name is being tarnished by accused number one, and also denied that he did favors for accused number one. That's where he was being asked, how come you say that you were doing favors for number one, whereas you were not doing favors at all? That's where, of course, we could see also in his gestures that he was not happy with the questions that were pointed by the defense yesterday. We expect that today the cross-examination continues. As you can see just behind me, we're talking about 8 accused who are standing on this crime, accused of hatching and executing the murder plot. Therefore, we're expecting the other defense representatives of the other accused to cross-examine Duncan Lechesa. We saw even yesterday that the public interest was at large here, where we saw that the gallery was full, people here to come listen to what is being said by Duncan Lechesa. We must remember that he is a witness number 19, and we were told that it's 78 state witnesses who will be taking the stand. So we expect many people to come and take the stand here in relation to this murder trial that continues here in the High Court. Desiree?
Thank you there, Aphume-lele M-dla-lane, for that update.